Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by confirming you have admin rights because many fixes require elevated changes. Open services. MSC and locate critical services like remote procedure call and plug and play. Make sure they're running and set to automatic. Next, open local security policy or group policy and check shutdown privileges for your user group so the option can reappear. Once done, restart Explorer to see immediate changes. This prepares the system for the registry and shell steps that follow. Now focus on the shell and registry because start menu items are controlled there. Kill and restart Explorer. EXE to refresh the UI. If missing persists, open Regedit and navigate to WinLogin and Explorer policies to ensure no close, no logoff, or no restart values are absent or set to 0. Run dism then SFC to repair corrupted system files that can hide options. Make sure to reboot after repair so services, policies, and registry changes take effect. Finish by isolating user profile problems and resetting the start layout. Create a new local admin account and sign in. If shutdown appears there, your original profile is corrupted and should be migrated. Otherwise, run PowerShell commands to reset the start menu database or rebuild the tile cache. If none of that works, roll back recent updates or use system, restore to a point when options were present. If problems continue, note one troubleshooting tip. Boot into safe mode and test. That narrows down third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.